Hi, welcome to the Shelley Studio. So, I have a bunch of these encyclopedia pages that I cut out of one of these student encyclopedias, really old ones that we've had around our house forever, and I decided to craft with them. So, I thought maybe they could make some Christmas cards. So, basically what I'm doing here is I folded it in half, and I'm going to glue the two halves together just to make it stronger. It doesn't really need to be thicker, but it's one way to use up more paper, right? So I'm just using a glue stick and gluing them together, making sure I get all the edges, trying to get out any possible bubbles. And then I let it dry and then fold it. This one I didn't, and it causes some weird wrinkling when you fold if you don't wait for it to dry. So I've got like weird wrinkles going on there. But I have some others that I've already made or folded. You can see it in the corner there. But I just want to show you, that's what I do. I glue it and then I fold it. And so now I've got a card. And they're no particular size, but I think they fit in one of my envelopes. And we're just going to do a little bit of watercolor, real simple pattern on this one. I have made a few others and I'll show them at the end that I made. And I don't show it, but I end up putting some plain white inside as a place to write, you know, your sentiment or whatever. And this one we're just going to do a little Christmas ornament. So I'm trying to make it flat. And these ones I did not do overnight, but if you wanted to glue them, let them dry, fold them, and then put them under weight overnight, they wouldn't curl so bad, which would be a good idea. So I'm just pre-wetting the paper. And this encyclopedia paper is pretty stiff. I'm not sure how well it is at accepting the watercolor. Some of the ones I did, it seemed to work just fine. This one I might have a little too much water on there. But I just kind of wanted the water to run around and fill my ornament. Just doing dark around the edges and light so that it looks round. It's kind of an orangey red, I think. But just a real simple, it'll make a cute little simple Christmas card. I'm letting the paint run around. Ugh, went out of bounds. Alright, so I dried that off, and I have a little bit of gold paint. That little top of the ornament that you put the string to, I figured I would paint it with some gold. And you could use these for anything, really. I mean, they don't have to be Christmas cards. You could do any kind of card or any kind of watercolor. Ooh, I'm thinking maybe next I'll make me some tags and just decorate them. I don't know. I have a whole stack of these pages. Just doing a little bit of black with a little liner just for the string. I'm not even sure what subject was on that particular page of the encyclopedia. Trying to decide what to do. I decided to put a little gold streak across the ornament. It's taken me a long time to think about it. I was gonna just start writing in that gold, and then I decided I probably should write it out first in pencil and try to get it to look halfway decent. And I'm writing Happy Holidays. Decided to create box lettering with just a small micron pen, and then we'll put gold inside. And hopefully it'll show up well enough over the rest of the writing there. Yeah, but these cards were just fun, quick little project. Pretty simple supplies. I think the background of the encyclopedia just helps make something simple look a little bit more detailed, interesting. So I think just the ornament by itself without the words in the background might be a little too simple. I did, like I said, I made a few other cards. I did not film those, I believe. So if I did, I will do another video another day with one of the other ones, but I don't think I did. But I show them all at the end of this video. So you can see what they look like. And they're just simple. There we go. Happy holidays. I was thinking that it wasn't showing up quite well enough, so I add a little bit darker. And this is a... Oh, I went around there too. Just to emphasize things. I can't help myself. I just have to outline. Just trying to darken up some of those so that you can really see the words. I guess I could have stamped Happy Holidays on something else and put a little layer there. That would work too. going to speed that outlining up a little bit more. It's almost like watching paint dry. All right, so there it is, and here are the other ones. So there's that one, and then I did a couple of wreath patterns. That's a blank one. Oh, and I did a little Christmas tree. Well, I hope you liked that. If you did like it, please leave me a comment or give me a thumbs up, and have an awesome day.